Welcome to Pendlimari Farmer Producer Company FPC of Eklavya Foundation, sponsored by SFFAC. The Farmer Producer Company FPC, established in Pendlimari, a region within the YSR district of Andhra Pradesh, is a testament to the power of collective action in agriculture. FPC was formed on December 12, 2021, began with a modest group of farmers and has since grown to encompass 332 farmer shareholders by 2025. This growth underscores the FPC's success in empowering local farmers by enhancing their incomes and improving their quality of life. By serving as a crucial mediator between consumers and producers, the FPC helps farmers achieve financial sustainability. This structure not only facilitates better market access and fair pricing for agricultural products, but also fosters a sense of community and shared purpose among the farmers, ultimately contributing to the economic development of the region. Natural red chili powder from our FPC is significant for its vibrant color, flavor, spiciness, and health benefits. It offers nutritional value, being rich in vitamin C and potassium. This can benefit cardiovascular health by regulating blood pressure. Natural turmeric is important because of its high curcumin content and the premium price it commands in the market. Curcumin content in the turmeric grown in Pendlimari region has a 5%, which has high medicinal value compared to other turmeric variety. This helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Coriander powder is significant for its health benefits, culinary uses, and historical significance. Coriander powder from our Pendlimari region is a natural-based and rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin K, which helps blood clot and bones repair. Ragi biscuits, also known as finger millet biscuits, are a healthy snack that can provide many nutritional benefits. Our Pendlimari region produces ragi biscuits by our women as a small-scale manufacturing unit. Incorporating ragi biscuits into a balanced diet may assist in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. A part of these products, we also have peanuts, foxtail millets, ragi flour, and millet snacks also. Join our journey in empowering the tribal farmers and uplifting their lives. Get a healthy nourishment through our products and enjoy the tasty natural meal on your table directly from farmers.